What's happening, man? This your boy Bass, man. Finna go on this Bravo Gator contest. Follow your boy on Twitter at TheRealHGMM you know, man, at TheRealHGMM. But I tell them no shit's about to get real. I'ma stay beside my steel, like Walker with TTG. Young niggas fire at will. Play your part, I got a cold heart. You niggas false starts and I'm real. Try to play me like I'm soft and get popped off like a pill. It's one thing that I can't stand is the damn disloyal Negro. Telling lies, switch side, that right there gon' get you bullet hole like bang, 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 bang. Brr, all in your ass. One in your chopper, this pistol then bat me a nigga, then take off for all of the cash. Real nigga, you know that. Everywhere I'ma show that. I ain't got to have no test. Put a nigga ass down like a flow man. Fuck niggas wanna fuck with you, better pay up if you owe that. Yeah, young Saxons, they be really blasting, they spray shit to reload that. Smoking on something good, this shit here gon' have me comatose. Niggas be hating, but fuck them hoes, they know what's up with us like bang, 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 brr, all in your ass. B-A x 2 HGMM, it's more than a brand.